So I've made a phase frequency modulation system where phasor of high frequency is multiplied by, phasor of low frequency is multiplied by an oscillator of high frequency, and then the frequencies can be logarithmically controlled using, for example, in the phasor, the frequency is exponentially related to x tilt, and in the oscillator frequency is exponentially related to the y tilt, and they are multiplied together, and that signal is passed through a cascaded band pass filter whose center frequency is related to the z tilt, and the quality factor or narrowness of the band pass filter is related to the jerks. So basically, I'm taking the absolute value and modifying it, the Q factor. So let's see. So as I tilt gradually, you can see the frequency is changing of the, so this is the x-axis. So here only the oscillator carrier frequency is changing. So if I do the y-axis, then the phasor frequency is changing. And if I do the z tilt, then the center frequency of the band pass filter is changing. And if I do any jerk in any direction, then the Q is changing. So basically, if I have more, so I have subtracted Q. It means like if I do more jerk, it's more noisier. Okay, so this is like mapping all the tilts and jerks in different directions, and I also implemented graphics to go with this. So this is the guppy. I modified it a little bit, and then I will show you the graphics. So the problem is once I start the graphics, the sound stops. But as we can see, again, so the colors on the vertexes correspond to the acceleration. So x, y, and z. So, for example, if I tilt in positive x direction, you can see this is brightest and these two are neutral. And in the negative direction, this becomes zero, black, and these two are. So, and similarly, this is in this direction, so this is zero. And if I do other direction, this becomes maximum. So this is the brightest and these two are neutral. And in the negative z direction, you can see this will become zero. And in the positive. So this is the z, this is the x, and this is y. And then, so jerks correspond to the growing web, basically. So the more the jerk, the